Hi, I'm Sarah from SewingMastery.com, where we take sewing machines, open them up, and then do a video on every page of the manual. So today we're excited to start the filming of the Pfaff Ambition 620 sewing machine. Now there is a Pfaff Ambition 610, 620, and 630 machine. We will get to those other models, but this one will get you a lot of that information even if you have the 610 or 630. So start with us as we get going through this newer Pfaff machine. So what we're going to do is we're going to open it up first, see what comes out of the box, and then we're going to get into everything from accessories to tension to how to use all the feet that come with it. It has decorative stitches, and one thing I will always be thankful for is a needle threader and a thread cutter. Now, if you look behind me, I love decorative stitches, and I'll be referring to our online course called the Stitching Cosmos online course, where you get to really take your machine to the next level using feet and accessories. So I hope you'll check out the videos that we have below the YouTube video. Here you can check out what that online course is all about. Get signed up and even watch 10 videos for free, including how to make the ultimate stitch book. And that's the part where you stitch out all your decorative stitches so you see how they work. So I hope you'll join us. If you've got those other models, those are great to just follow along with me now. If you're looking to purchase this machine from your local Pfaff retailer, these videos will give you a good idea of what it can do. And I think it is a powerhouse. So without spending tons of money, it's a nice mid-range machine with the speed and the power to go through your sewing projects. I also love that it has some extra wide space. All right, without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into the box and see what all comes with it. I always love opening a brand new box. Get a brand new machine out. So one thing that I love about the Pfaff Ambition line is it does come with a hard case. So if you're planning on travel, or if you just don't have a place to leave it set up, which is always optimal, but let's say you need to put it away in a closet. It has a hard case, you can put it on a shelf, and it will be protected. All right, so first off, foot control is up on the side here. We got power cord. I do like it when these are actually separated. Makes it a little easier. I like to put my foot control down in front of my table near my foot, and my power cord over the back of my table, and it's a little away from me. So if that is an option for you, you will love that as well. It just comes out all in one piece here. We've got the hard case on top of the brand new machine, all nice and protected, which I love. So if you do want to keep some of these foam pieces, that's great. There is a manual and warranty card. It kind of was beside the styrofoam, so I'm going to get it out of the box. So you do have a printed manual. I said we're doing a video on every page of the manual. Oh, there she is. I love it. It has a LED readout screen, but look at this. I know it doesn't look as big, but when you sit down in front of it, you are going to notice you have a full 8 inches of space between the needle and the inside of the machine. So if you're a quilter and doing large projects where you're working kind of in the inside area, you've got all that extra bulk, this is going to be a lot bigger than probably your current sewing machine. And as always, Pfaff has their built-in walking foot, or what is called the IDT, built into the machine. So you don't have to unscrew it. It's just on when you want it, off when you don't need it, and it is pretty awesome. Right up here, all of our decorative stitches, including an alphabet. So that means that we have memory where we can put those letters together, create quilt labels, and then of course all my favorite decorative stitches, which even in the utility stitch area, there's a lot that we can do. So I can't wait for you to join us as we get into every corner of this machine. So join us over at SewingMastery.com, where you can find all the machines that we have filmed. We film Viking machines, we film Bernina machines, Singer and Brother, a few of those as well. But I can't wait to spend a couple days with this beautiful Pfaff Ambition 620 sewing machine.